welcome back to my channel. This is Jackie from the corner of Jackie, and today I'm so excited because I'm bringing you another unboxing of a dia&co box. I'm so excited. It's still closed. I have my handy dandy knife or whatever is this thing, box cutter. Yes, that's what it is. And I'm just gonna open the box. I've been waiting for a few days to... Ouch! No, I didn't cut myself. I just messed this up. Alright. And let's see what's inside. I am so excited. If you guys hear anything, my dog Pepper, it's right here in the room with me. And so she's just sniffing stuff around. So all the contents is still in the box. And let's dig in. Alright, so I had to send back, I got another box, but I was going on vacation and I had to send it back, like without even trying anything, because if not it would have sit in my house for a week, and then it was not gonna be good for me, because then I was gonna be charged for the entire box even without even seeing what was inside. So I sent the box back, and my stylist Bree, she sent me a note like saying, I'm sorry, your last box wasn't all that you would hope for. Let me make it up to you, and then blah 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 blah. So that's a very nice touch. Then inside of the little purple envelope, I love their colors, it's a list of all the items. So let's open this. Okay, the first thing that is in here in the box is a shirt. I want to say it's a quarter sleeve, three quarters sleeve maroon shirt with some action in the front. So it has this crisscrossing right on the chest. Like, I like this. And I will say that the material is super duper soft. So I like this. This is on the brand, what's the brand? Geely. Oh, actually the crisscross is in the back of the shirt, not in the front. So in the front is plain. I thought it was in the back, and I thought the crisscrossing was in the front, but it's actually in the back. Now that I'm looking for the tag, so it is in the back. So all the action, it's in the back, you know, very conservative. And then you have like the plain front. This one is on size, let's see, where's the size? It's not on the top. It should be down here. This is size 1X. So it's nice, very casual. So that one retails for $42 and is Geely Just Need back top, like crisscross back top. Okay, so $42. Let's see. Although the material is super duper soft. The next thing I'm taking out of the box is another shirt. This one is black, entirely black in the back, and it's like a t-shirt material in the back. Ooh, come on, come to me. And then in the front, it is like chiffon, and it has these flowers with I want to say that's like light pink and lavender and some burgundy. So it's just like a nice shirt that you can use for work. This one is the brand, it's Michael Studio. Let's see, how much is this one? Michael Studio. The shirt is called Eve Mixed Media Tee, and it's black and burgundy, and it's the size is 1X, and it retails for $49. Then next item is some capris. I am not a fan of capris, so I don't know. This one is from the brand Molly and Isadora, and the size is 1X, and it's just a black capri, which is, you know, it's fall, so I don't know why they said capris, but that's fine. Let's see, Molly and Isadora Frankfurt capri leg. Some difficulties. Is it focusing? Come on, focus. There you go. My card says that it's full, but it's not actually full because it's empty. So I don't know what is going on. I just need a sip. Ugh, annoying. Super annoying. Okay, so there's 2 things left in the box. The next thing is long black stretchy pants. These ones are all the way to the bottom, like, you know, they are ankle length. The size is 14W. It is super duper stretchy, like super stretchy. Let's see, these ones are, the brand is Mary Sky. The name of the pants are Bristol Skinny Jean, black, on the size 14, and they retail for $52. And then I have, there's a tiny box here, and I'm thinking there is some jewelry in here. Ooh, this is pretty. So I want to say it's a necklace, but I might be missing. Yes. Okay. It's a necklace, but it is tangled up. I want to see if I can get it untangled. It's coming along, I think. I think it's coming up. Oh, yes! All right, perfect. Oh, it's so beautiful. Just gonna put it on. Well, it's not gonna show with my shirt, but it's so pretty. This is beautiful. Like, this is beautiful. Okay, let's see how much is the necklace. Kayla crystal necklace in color silver, and it retails for $29. The total of the box is $221 minus the $20 of the signing fee. You get 25% off of everything if you buy the entire box, which it drops down $55.25. So in total, if you like the entire box and you want to keep the entire box, you will pay $145.75, which is not bad. But I already know that there's some items in the box that I don't like, so I'm just gonna jump in and try everything on, and then I'm gonna let you know what I think and what I'm keeping. All right, see you in a bit. All right, after trying on the box, everything that was in the box, really did not like this box. I think that it was the clothing. It was like old lady like to me. If I was to keep something, I will keep the necklace. I really liked it. It's cute. It's something different that I don't own, so I might keep the necklace. But as far as the rest of the clothing, I really did not like the fit, and the colors and the style is actually not me. The burgundy shirt was not too bad, but I think it was a little too big at the bottom, and like the neck line was like too wide, and then the pants, the black pants, they fit, but it's like too big on my thighs, and there's a lot of like bagginess in it. I don't like capris, so I did not like it. And then the black and burgundy with flowers, the shirt, it was way too big. It's not what I like, and it's not my style. To be honest with you, I think I'm not gonna continue my dia&co subscription, because it feels to me like every time I get something from them, like the boxes, this is the second box, but before this I used to get them too, and the clothing is like way too big for me. I'm fat, but I think I'm not fat enough to wear like the W. When it says 14W, it's way too big on me. So I'm not gonna keep wasting $20 on something that I'm not getting any use from it. So that is my honest opinion about this box. This is not sponsored. I am just telling you honestly what I think about the box. I think it's a great service. I think it's a good way to try new brands and to like probably expand a little bit your closet, and then it pushes you out of sometimes of your comfort zone, and makes you try new things that normally if you would have gone to the store, you would have not even shifted to it. So that's it for this video. I will please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it. Please click the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Please go ahead to follow me on social media. I am on Instagram, Facebook. I have my own blog, everything is the corner of Jackie. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.